Welcome to our second webinar in the run-up to Pro2Pack 2015. This webinar, of course, is going to be all geared around the durability aspects of our FlowFresh products in the situations that we'll talk about. Durability, of course, plays an important factor. The robustness of the floors. We don't want any potential problems that come from floors that cannot withstand certain loading characteristics, cannot withstand certain temperatures, or certainly any chemical spillages that come into contact in these situations. With regards to the specification, the number of clients that we have dealt with over 30 odd years in this particular business is quite extensive, and of course it's also global. So we do have a fantastic track record of providing the correct solutions within these environments. Surveys, of course, we can either sit down with the actual tenants, facilities managers within these organisations, do a complete survey of their floors, identify certain areas that may need specific requirements, or directly with consultants on the new build situations, we can sit down with the architects, produce specifications, or the engineers to suit these types of environments. So design is an important characteristic. So far as thickness goes, normally these systems are around about 9 millimeters. The governing body which dictates this type of flooring section comes under type 8 floors, which are under the governing body which is FERFA. FERFA stands for the Federation of Epoxy Resin Formulators and Applicators, which has brought some credence to the business, brought some much needed standards, and of course to ensure that the people are going to come through the training programs and install these products as they should be. Service life is proportional to thickness, of course, and to withstand impact loadings, certainly from 1 ton pallet trucks, which are moving up and down, certainly in dispatch areas within these situations, that loading is being placed on very, very small nylon wheels, which can cause tremendous damage to floors which are not up to that type of situation. So strength is an important part. With the polyurethane systems, strength of 40 to 50 newtons is easily achieved, so therefore they will more than withstand this type of traffic situation. Thermal shock is an important factor. Steam cleaning can be carried out on a regular basis, so you'll be moving in temperature cycles up to 120 degrees. But of course you could have a free store situation where you have freezers which are open. You can be going from surface temperatures of -25 up to in excess of 100 degrees. So it's important that the product can withstand that. So most important thing here is that the thermal coefficients of expansion of these products are in line with the thermal coefficient of expansion within the concrete itself. So they're not going to move away from each other in these situations. Of course, any expansion joints or construction joints within the concrete slabs would have to be brought through the finish, but we have specific details that can cater for that. And also the expansion joint material, so a total package can be provided. But the most important thing, and the one that certainly strikes a little bit of fear in people, is of course chemical resistance. If any of you have been involved in the process of sugar refinery up and down the country, you will know the damage that sugar can do to concrete. It completely eats concrete away, it can completely destroy it. So in a lot of the facilities that we work in that situation, that we provide the polyurethane, it can withstand that attack, and also naturally from other facilities which have blood, fats, oils, those types of spillages that are coming into contact with the floor. That's all down due to the effective cross-link density within the product, which will not allow any absorption of those materials, and then of course any potential breakdown of the product. From a consultation point of view, we would love to have a face-to-face situation with you. If you can spare the time, come to see us on ProPack 2015, and please download the white paper that is following on from this short presentation, which will give you far more detail than I can do within this short period. Thank you.